Have you or a loved one been affected by this thing called equipment sits a lot? Well, this guy has. And the problem is this piece of equipment here, this dozer's been sitting on this trailer all winter because it's not, he uses it up on the mountain pretty well. Well, in the wintertime, they're not up there. But look, the chains have disappeared off this thing. I've got a solution. Mytee Products hooked us up with some grade 70 chain. I've been playing with it a little bit, and it's been good stuff. So let's see if we can't get hooked up here. This one all the way cinched down. It's all right. Okay, well, we'll go slap a couple on the blade. Throw a couple mid-machine, but we're not going that far. Yeah, so we got some 3/8 chain, grade 70 stuff. Binders are good. I mean, I don't think there's anything special about these. It's just chain and binder, but Mytee's prices are pretty dang good. And this has been awesome. The best part about it, you can get this stuff in short chains, long chains, grab hooks, no hooks, slip hooks, whatever you want. They got it in bulk. You can buy it by like the 55-gallon drum. Shipping's fast, it's easy, right to your door, whatever you need. So we'll get this one tied down and we'll get this back up on the mountain. Weather's getting good, they want to go, so let's get it. Okay, well, we'll throw this over there to the other side. I'll meet you over there. Okay. All right, well, I'll probably throw one more on the back, throw one around this blade, and we're ready for action. Don't critique my tie downs. I'm just some old country boy. I don't haul for a living. But yeah, we got this. The chains have been great. No issues on my end. The binders are nice. They make all sorts of different binders with hooks and chains with different hooks and lengths and all sorts of stuff. Grade 70 clear up to 120, all the good stuff. You ought to check them out. They've been great. The prices are awesome. They ship right to your door quick and easy. And you can buy bulk chain, short chain, long chain, different chains with different hooks for different things and all sorts of stuff. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description here. They've been great. No complaints on my end. So hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you in the next one.